Hello everyone, welcome back with the second regular Sudoku in today's newspaper of Wednesday, January the 13th, 2021. We have here the second, three regular Sudokus, but the second I will solve is a medium Sudoku. And this will be a number 2155. All right. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 3 is 9. Plus 4 is 13. 15 plus 2 is 15. Plus 4 is 19. Plus 2 is 21, plus 4 is 25, plus 2 is equal to 27. 27 printed digits. If you compare with the extra Sudokus, the 27 printed digits is a 1-star Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the number 6 in this column, last column, 6 in that column. So the column between, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so the row between. Only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between, the middle row, only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 6. How about the number 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Then, yes, 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 9. How about the number, the number 7 in this column, 7 in the last column. So the column between, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Let me scan this puzzle. Well. Okay. Well. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. There are 3, no 3 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And then eight, 3 missing numbers in this second row. Those numbers are the 1 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 8 is missing. We see here 1, so no 1 there. Here a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in that box. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 8 and the 5. And look, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then. How about all right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 8. No. Yeah. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So on the third row, the only place for the 4 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 2, the 3, and the 5. 2, 3, 5. And look, we have a 2 and a 5 here. So in this box cannot be a 2 or a 5. The 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. 1 digit left in this big square for the number 3. And then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 1 box left in this column for the number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 3 and 5, okay. Then the 1 in this row, the 1 in the last row, so the row between. The only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Then 2. Well. 1, 2, 3, 8, 5, 3 and 5, 3 and 5. All right. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be here. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 4 and 8. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Yes, all right. 3, 2, 9. All right. How about the 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column? So the column next, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 1, alright. Yeah. 3. Yes. We have a 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright, so in this row, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there, here 3, no 3 there, here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 3. Alright. How about yeah. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, so on the last row, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column, so in the first column, the only place for a 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row, so in the third row, only 3 places for the 7 should be here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2. Alright, number 7. Then 5, 3, 3 and a 5. These two numbers are reserved in this big square, the 3 and a 5. Let me mark those two numbers. 3 and a 5. How about 1? The 2 is missing. The 2 should be here. The 8 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So in the middle column, the column between, the only place for a 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 6, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 2. 8 and 2, we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So here cannot be a 2. The 2 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing and an 8 is missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes because it's a pair. 2 and an 8. Alright. How about 5, 2, 2. 2 numbers left in the second column for the numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 numbers, 2 and 3. I cannot fill this yet. It's a pair. That means we have a 2 in this column, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the first column, only place for a 2 should be there. 1 number left in the first column for the number 8. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this can't be 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 3. Now we have a 5 here, so this can't be 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 2. One number left in the last column for the number 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this can't be 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes in there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 8 and 4. 8 and 4. I cannot fill this here. Let me mark those 2 numbers. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 5 and 9. 5 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about those 2 numbers in this row? This cannot be a 3 anymore because we have a 3 now. So this should be a 3. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. These 2 numbers are reserved for the 9 and the 4. 9 and the 4, 9 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here. So this cannot be 9 anymore. This should be a 5. And this should be a 9. Now we have a 4 here. So this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be a 4. And this should be an 8. Now we have a 5 there. So this cannot be 5 anymore. This should be an 8. And this should be a 5. Final 2 numbers of this big square. For the numbers 8 and 5. 8 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Alright, for this medium Sudoku, I'm very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you very soon with the 3rd regular Sudoku. It will be a killer Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.